You see it dripping? Yeah.
Ethan, what are you making with Mimi?
Muffins.
Muffins or
Cupcakes.
cupcakes? Can you mix?
Mimi, can you wash this one out?
Just put it back in the bowl and I'll wash it. Gonna use that spoon? Ethan, can you count while you mix?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You want to use this one, the red one, spatula?
Yeah.
Try that one, see if that helps.
Helps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are you stirring?
Ethan, what kind of cupcakes are you gonna make? Who's gonna be on those cupcakes?
What kind of those again? Who is that guy?
Woody and Jessie.
Woody and Jessie. And what are they from?
It's from Toy Story.
From Toy Story. Oh. Are you stirring?
No.
You want to?
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to? I thought you were going to help me make the cupcakes.
But I'm going to do the cupcakes part.
The cupcakes part. With the icing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's your favorite part?
Yeah. I got to do it. It's my project.
That's your project?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Well, I think it's time for the electric mixer. That's what Mimi's going to use since this is not working out for you. Okay, so I'm going to take my mixer and I'm going to stir it with the mixer. And then you can help me pour it into the little container. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this messes everywhere. Can you clean all the messes?
Clean all the messes?
Yeah.
I can do that. Are you a mess too?
What?
I said, are you a mess too or only the placemat?
Only the placemat.
Okay. Is that better?
Yeah. Can you please have milk?
Yes.
Ethan, you like it in Florida at Mimi's house?
Yeah. But we can't do Play-Doh because it's dark out.
That's right. Well, we could make that a project for tomorrow.
Ethan, what time of day is it? What is it outside?
Dark.
Is it dark or is it right before dark?
It's right before dark.
And what did Daddy tell you that's called?
Dusk.
That's right.
It's dusk outside.
Are you ready to sign off for now?
Yeah.
What do you say to everybody?
Thank you, everybody.